Motivation at work can significantly enhance productivity, satisfaction, and overall professional success. Here are 5 easy steps to boost your motivation at work. 1. Set clear goals. Having well-defined, achievable goals provides a roadmap for what you need to do. Make sure these goals are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This gives you a clear path to follow and makes your progress easier to track. 2. Break down tasks. Large projects can feel overwhelming. Breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks can make them seem less daunting and more achievable. Every time you complete a small task, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment, which can boost your motivation to tackle the next one. 3. Celebrate accomplishments. Recognize and reward yourself when you reach milestones or complete significant tasks. This can be as simple as taking a short break, treating yourself to something you enjoy, or even just taking a moment to acknowledge your accomplishment. 4. Maintain a positive work environment. Keep your workspace clean and organized. This can help reduce distractions and increase your focus. Surrounding yourself with positive affirmations or pictures of loved ones can also help boost your mood and motivation. 5. Seek feedback and collaborate. Regular feedback can help you understand your strengths and areas of improvement. Also, collaboration encourages teamwork and can make challenging tasks more enjoyable and less stressful. Remember, motivation can fluctuate and it's normal to have periods of lower motivation. Consider these periods an opportunity to rest, reassess your goals, and re-energize. If lack of motivation persists, it may be worth having a conversation with your supervisor or a mental health professional to explore possible underlying issues.